So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general mid-monthly reading for all the Cancer Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 15th till the 30th of September. I'm going to tap into your recent past, current energies, and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual. Starting with the overall energy for the rest of the month of September 2024. And it's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Cancer, the overall energy for Cancer people for the rest of the month of September 2024 is, let's see what we have. Knight of Swords. We are going to be in this energy of running away from people or situations or things that's not serving you anymore, that's making you angry or disappointing you in any way. You are in this energy of, okay, just leave the past behind and leave the things or situations behind that's not making you happy anymore, okay? I think you are going to be in this energy of somewhat reckless energy where you are just trying to avoid certain things, or might be your feelings, I don't know, but it's like, okay, running away as far as you can from people, situations, or things that's not making you happy anymore, or that's kind of pissing you off in some way. In this particular deck, Knight of Swords is like that. In another, in Rider-Waite, it's something else. So we go with the pictures and the feelings and the energies and vibes, okay? Let's see in the recent past what was happening. Cancer. Cancer, honey, what's wrong? Tell me. I can feel it in my gut. Okay, in the recent past, the Empress. You were in this energy of taking care of yourself, getting in touch with your feminine side, creative side, whether you are male or female, doesn't matter. But you were trying to get in touch with your feminine side, creative side as much as you can and taking care of yourself, right? Now, in the current scenario, we have the Seven of Swords. You got to know something about someone, or you're trying to be deceptive, trying to again run away from something or someone, or trying to sneak away from something or someone, and you're not being honest here. We will clarify these cards. By the end of this month, we have the Strength. You are going to be in this courageous and in this energy of being very courageous, being in your power, being in this energy of not doing something in a particular direction. It's going to take a lot of strength and courage from your side, but you're going to do it anyway. Like you are going to be like, no matter what, I'm going to stay silent, I'm going to stay strong and stand in my power. Let's clarify the Empress in the recent past for you guys. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, the Star card. Yes, you started something new, a new journey, a new chapter of your life, and slowly but surely you were healing. You were healing. You were being optimistic. You were being positive in a particular situation, and you were healing because of again you getting in touch with your creative or feminine side. You were getting rid of something or someone in a very beautiful way, in a very positive energy, and you were healing, right? Now, in the current situation, the Seven of Swords is kind of deceptive energy. Something came to light, something coming out to you, some kind of truth. Okay, let me clarify the Seven of Swords here. We have the Four of Wands, the Six of Swords, Six of Wands, and the Tower. Oh my God. Some kind of truth related to some kind of commitment, marriage, stability, some kind of long-term partnership, or some kind of illusion is falling. Might be you were might be you were daydreaming about having something or someone in your life for the rest of your life, and you were kind of in this energy of, I want this person or this situation to stick around with me for the rest of my life or something. But some kind of illusion is going to break here. Some kind of illusion is breaking. You are seeing the truth of a situation for what it is, accepting the situation for what it is, instead of daydreaming about it, because you've got to know the truth about a particular situation or person or thing. I don't know, but some kind of truth is being revealed to you, and it's kind of sending you into this energy of not living in any kind of illusion or delusion anymore. You are being you're surprised and shocked at the same time, but some kind of truth is being revealed to you. Yeah, some kind of truth is being revealed to you. and you're kind of shocked and surprised, but at the same time kind of trying to get your shit together, trying to be in this energy of, okay, this is the truth, this is the ultimate truth, I accept it. Even if I'm shocked and surprised, I accept it. By the end of this month, we have the strength, your courage, your strength is going to be tested in some way by the universe. Let's clarify the strength here. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, the Sun card. Yeah, I do see you coming out of a stressful phase. Okay, now what is wrong with you, Cancer? I don't know, might be you're dealing with the Pisces here. Cancer, what is happening here is, on the exterior, you're going to be all joyful, all happy, all this and that. But inside of you, something is stressing the hell out of you. And you're not letting this know to anybody, letting this be known to anybody, even to your closest. Even the person closest to you will not know what you are going through, because of the way you are going to portray yourself as a very strong, happy-go-lucky, and very content kind of personality. It's like you going through a storm inside of you, and pretending to be completely okay, in fact pretending to be very happy, like wow, everything is so beautiful, everything is sorting itself out, and life is so good, life is so happy, see me, watch me doing this, watch me doing that. But something is stressing the hell out of you, and you're stopping yourself from saying it to anybody. You are like, nope, nope, I have to keep it to myself. So you keeping your energies of stress to yourself, and spreading love and happiness wherever you are going, because you feel nobody will be able to understand you. This is the outcome that I'm getting here. Yeah, it's like something something in you is shifting big time, big time, and you are having a rebirth here, and it's painful, but you're trying your best to stay calm, trying your best to go through this process of pain or stressful energies by yourself, and spreading the happiness and positivity that you are carrying. So there's something that's shifting in you, and you are getting it. You are knowing that something is shifting in you, and you're trying your best to get out of this situation as beautifully, as peacefully as you can, without letting a soul know about it. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation. Cancer. We have the Six of Cups, the World card, and the Nine of Pentacles. It's time for you to say goodbye to the old, whether it was a relationship, whether it was a work area that you already ended. A chapter ended here in your life, big time. But you're still holding on to some kind of unfinished business because of the past memories or past energies that you had with that particular person or situation. Whatever ended here, it's time for you to break free and let your happiness come out, independence come out, and focus on yourself as much as you can, Cancer, because right now you are the light at the end of the tunnel. Nobody is going to do that for you. You yourself have to walk the path through the tunnel and get your own light. Okay, so you are going to be the torch bearer here. I don't know what to say anymore, but whatever you're holding on to from the past, it's something stressful. I think you should talk it out with somebody, take help from somebody who can help you to get out of the situation, right? It's not going to happen in one day, but one day it's definitely going to happen. All you have to do is to talk it out with somebody whom you can rely on. Yeah, but it's the high time for to say goodbye to the past for good this time. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.